AI is growing faster than ever in 2025, and the people who learn these tools early will have a massive advantage in jobs, studies, and online work. So today, I'll show you 8 free AI tools that can save your time, boost your skills, and even help you earn money. Let's begin. Tool 1, Gamma AI, and stylish templates. It's perfect for students, office workers, and anyone who wants professional slides in under 1 minute. Tool number 2, Perplexity AI. Think of it as a smarter version of Google. Ask anything, and it gives a clear answer with real sources and accurate information. This is very useful for research, studies, competitive exams, or anyone who wants fast and reliable answers. Tool number 3, Canva AI. This is one of the easiest design tools in the world. You can make thumbnails, posters, logos, reels, and social media designs instantly. Freelancers in India earn 5 to 20,000 rupees per month just using Canva for clients. If you want to start earning online without skills, Canva is the best place to begin. Tool number 4, Runway Gen-2. This AI creates full videos from text. You type a sentence, and it generates a cinematic clip automatically. People use it for YouTube, gaming edits, short films, and business ads. This is the future of video creation. Tool 5, Notion AI. Notion AI. This tool organizes your entire life. It writes notes, summarizes content, creates study plans, and manages your tasks automatically. If you are a student or a working professional, Notion can save hours of your time every day. Tool number 6, Replit AI. If you want to learn coding, this tool will help you like a personal tutor. Just type what kind of program you want, and Replit writes the full code. It also explains each line in simple language, perfect for beginners in India who want to enter tech. Tool 7, Vrew AI. Vrew AI. This tool is amazing for content creators. It adds automatic subtitles, cut jumps, zoom effects, and smooth editing, all with one click. If you make YouTube shorts or Instagram reels, Vrew will save you hours. Tool number 8, Durable AI. This tool creates complete websites in less than 30 seconds. Just type your business idea, and Durable builds the full site with text, images, and layout. Freelancers use this to create websites for local businesses and earn great money. Final value. Most people in India still do not know about these tools, but the people who learn them early will get better jobs, grow faster, and earn more in 2025. So explore them today and stay ahead of everyone else. Comment the tool you want a full tutorial on. And if you want part 2 with more powerful AI tools, type part 2 in the comments. Thanks for watching.